simplify negative 5x to the power negative 2y cubed times negative x to the power 4y cubed to the power of negative 2. This is actually an indices question. Okay, so first step, we deal with the bracket, the powers first. Negative 5x to the power negative 2y cubed, nothing changes there, times negative, okay, it's good to put negative 1 here because this will also get the power. Okay, this will also get the power, so it will become a negative 1 to the power of negative 2, x to the power of negative 8, y to the power of negative 6. All I'm doing is multiply the power inside. So again, negative 1 has its own power, which is 1. Negative 2 times 1, that's how we got negative 2 here. Alright. Now, negative 1 to the power of negative 2 is the same as positive 1. Let's get to that shortly. Okay, so this one you can change to 1 over negative 1 square, which essentially is just 1. At the end, it's just positive 1. Times x to the power negative 8 times y to the power negative 6. Alright, so negative 5 x to the power negative 2 y cubed times x to the power negative 8 y to the power negative 6. So 1, you don't have to write that. Okay, so x to the power negative 2 times x to the power negative 8. When you times, basically you add the powers up. So negative 2 plus negative 8. Y cubed plus negative 6 for the y part. So this becomes negative 5 x to the power negative 10 y to the power negative 3. Change it to positive index notation for best presentation. Negative 5 remains at the top because negative 5 has a power of 1. And this is over x to the power 10 y cubed. Final answer for this question.